Welcome one and welcome all to the BSTN coverage of professional indoor origami. Once again, my name is David Rausch and this is my co-anchor, Tim Woodrum. Tim, yesterday we saw a masterful performance by our paper folding athlete. Do you think he can top it with today's performance?
Well, let's hope so. Today, our origami athlete will be competing to create a paper boat.
Now, viewers at home, remember that you too can participate in the origami action. For today's event, you only need nimble fingers and a square piece of paper. The paper can be any color, including white. And if at any time you need to pause or rewind the video, including right now, don't hesitate to do so.
Well, David, our origami athlete looks like he is smoldering for some foldering. Let's go now to courtside and watch the action unfold.
Once again, we join Hans Henderson from Germany. This time I'm told that he will be attempting to make an origami boat out of a single piece of paper.
David, I think now would be a good time to remind our viewers that Hans is a professional and they should not try this at home.
No, Tim, they should try this at home. That's the whole point of this. Hans begins with a power fold right down the middle of the paper, hot dog style.
Boy, that really makes me hungry for a hot dog. Is that a hot dog vendor right there? Hey, hot dog man, one dog please.
Tim, not now. Sorry about that, folks. Hans opens the paper to reveal a cross pattern. Corner fold to the center.
Get your hot dogs! Get
Flattens
your
down the edge.
dogs!
Now a second corner fold to the center of the paper.
Look at that precision. No one has hands like Hans Henderson.
You can say that again, Tim.
No, David, I probably can't.
Now a third corner fold to the center to form what looks like an envelope.
For the kids watching at home, an envelope is what old people used to send emails with.
Now we're closing up the envelope with corner number 4 to the center. You mentioned it before, Tim. Would you look at the precision of that square? And here comes one of Hans's trickier moves. He folds one corner back away from the center, leaving a crease near the edge. Folds it down flat. And now he does it again on the other side, but this time leaving a little more space between the crease and the edge.
I'll tell you, there is nothing quite like origami, David. Did you know that the word origami is actually a Swedish word, meaning, will you buy me a meatball?
No, Tim, that's definitely not right. Origami is a Japanese word that means the art of folding paper into the likeness of objects.
Yeah, that makes more sense.
Hans has folded the entire square in half, and now he folds one corner to the bottom edge, following the old crease. Flattens that edge. And now he folds the other corner in the same way. Again, flattening down that edge. Now one last small, slightly angled fold toward the middle. And look what we have here, folks! Are my eyes deceiving me, or is that a boat?
Holy origami tsunami! Look at it riding those waves. You can tell it's a boat by the way it looks like a boat.
I couldn't have said it better myself, Tim. And there you have it, folks. That does it for today's broadcast of Professional Indoor Origami. Join us again tomorrow for another masterful performance by the origami superstar, Hans Henderson. And once again, happy folding, friends!